You know, bello in English is like bello, but in Spanish they don't have the J-A, like ja, J-G. J-A is ha here. James, they say James, ha. So if you laugh, instead of laughing like ha ha ha, you laugh like ja ja ja. So that's why their ja is double L-O. No, I mean double L-A. Ja.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby.
So Bello is this town very close to Medellín. Maybe like a 10 minutes ride or in a taxi. Yeah. It's more of a family place. Not as many people as in Medellín live here. But it's actually in Medellín, but not in Medellín, you know, technically not. No, I mean, by map it's not in Medellín, Colombia. But technically it's in Medellín, very close, you know. You know how cities expand and when they expand, they like meet. Yeah, that's how it is here. Okay, Bello. Yeah, we could go. We could go take a taxi. Huh? Yeah. It's laid back, you know. People sleep. Look how those guys are sleeping right there. I also see here there are girls like the girl here. Boys, girls.
Pero con quién, sino que la mandaron sola. Greece feels so good, man.
Yeah, because it's like in the mountainous areas, you know.
Work so hard to sell the little piece of candy in the bag, man.
Who?
People that sell candy in the bag.
Yeah.
I'm like, fuck, man.
Sometimes life is hard, man. That's why people don't appreciate. Like in the US, they have all opportunities. They don't have work, you know. There's a cute girl next over there. I felt like taking her number.
Yeah, man, I know.
Oh, you saw her?
Yeah, I saw her. I'm sitting down.
I could go pick her number actually. So we need to take a taxi. Yeah. But it should be that way. That way.
Jefe, ¿qué es ese? Un celular. ¿Estás grabando?
Cámara.
¿Y qué estás grabando?
Mira. Mira los palomas. Mira aquí.
¿De dónde eres?
Yo soy de Kenia.
¿De otro país?
Sí. What's up, guys? We're right here in Bello, and I'm with my friend. Yeah. So we're trying to explore the park here. It's called Park. I think Parque de Bello.
Beja or Bela?
Bello.
Bejo.
Yeah. If you read it in English, it's like Bello. You know. Yeah. So we're trying to just explore here. I'm using Osmo. Hope you enjoyed the video, man. Please give it a like, subscribe. We're actually at this park. It's very popular, you know. Super popular places where lots of Colombians see it. Oh, let me just show you what I mean, you know. Yeah. Bello. Yeah.
They're not scared either. I call him my Kenyan pimp.
No, man.
No, I'm joking. He's a nice guy. He's a real nice guy. Real nice guy.
Yeah. She wants us to film her daughter and her business. We're gonna film them. Oh, they felt it. So bad.
That was a he she. That was a man.
Yeah, them.
Sometimes you can tell really easy.
Yeah.
If you ever go to Thailand,
Yeah.
oh man, you gotta be careful.
Don't talk because my video takes the voice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, don't worry.
Dos días de datos te vale 1,000 pesos. Pasamos a Virgin. Mira. 5 cares de Virgin en promoción a la 11.
Bello.
2 días de datos te vale 1,000 pesos. Hasta Virgin.
Sí, mire templado a la orden.
Lleve los cargadores, son recargables, el cable para el celular es más libre.
Hasta Virgin.
10 candelas a 500 candelas.
I know my friend is. So it's What do you think? We go up and come back? So we could go up this way. Or maybe we go like this, then come like this. Beige. You see, we look exotic sometimes. So in this small town they call Bello. Bello means beautiful, and it's more of a laid-back town, you know, very chill, the way you see it. Richard knows this place, yeah. Please ensure you give the video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos to come, and man, you know, I always like when you guys support me, show me some love in the comments. Also the likes, you know, you hitting them. Yeah, we're right here in Bello. The beautiful Bello. Bonita Bello. Oh, Bello. You know? Yeah. We can do a round like this, right? That's good. $18.55. Let's look the other side. It's more crowded, yeah. I want to try and see if I can go before I leave Colombia. Which one? He looks like him. He looks like him. In a way, he looked unique with his eyes. And you know today is a working day. Today is Thursday, right?
Mate variedades de 1500. Si hay variedades de 1500. Bienvenido, vamos a comprar. A charro, fantasía, hogar, papelería. Bienvenido.
Bello. Bello, you know, Joe. In Spanish, there's no Joe. Ja, J, there's no. That's why they say James Rodriguez, James.
Take a picture in front of this baby or something.
Okay.
Línea nueva, cambio de operador.
All I need is you, baby, baby.